Race number 3. Away they go. Witness in Manila. Fast to begin. Big Apo. Alongside his Dynamic Club. And in between runners is just 1 week. Louis Star may bukas pa while Speedy Maki is running at the tail of the field. Witness in Manila by the rally is just 1 week. Big Apo down on the inside and Dynamic Club. Rounding the far turn, Witness in Manila this time by a length and a half. Just 1 week in second. Dynamic Club racing in third from the outside. Big Apo as they race the last 450. Witness in Manila increasing its marker to about 3 lengths. Dynamic Club is now running in second. Just 1 week. Big Apo. Louis Star may bukas pa in Speedy Maki. Entering the finish line. Witness in Manila by some 5 lengths and Dynamic Club. And finally, Witness in Manila, the horse of Mr. Alvin Pereira. Second, 3A. Dynamic Club, 3. Just 1 week. May bukas pa. And Speedy Maki.